What is success for you? Do you ever feel like life has become a juggling act where you're trying to balance one area of your life and the other is slipping? Let's say in your life, you have abundance of money, but you suffer when it comes to relationships, when it comes to meaningful relationship. Let's say you bring balance in your wealth, in your relationships, but your mental health suffers. What if every area of your life becomes good, but your health is suffering? So how do we go about bringing balance in all the areas of our life? 3,000 years ago, our ancient yogis gave us a gift of knowledge. They taught us 7 different areas of our life. If we bring balance and harmony and health to all these 7 different areas of our life, then we can call our life a success, a beaming success. Friends, this is how the yogis explain this to us as your 7 different bodies. All these bodies are interrelated. And if there is an imbalance in one of these chakras, then it brings imbalance in the whole system. We are evolving together, my friends. And if you like to evolve faster, we need balance and harmony in all these 7 areas of our life. Starting from our physical body, then your pranic body, the most important body in your system. When you have good quality, vibrant pranic body, then all the areas of your life would be benefited. That's why we created 9-day breathwork for your energy, health, and vitality, focused on improving your pranic body. Next one we have is mental body. Did you know that 95% of people suffer their mind overthinking? And each thought, my friends, is leaking your pranic energy. And this is why we created a 9-day breathwork meditation challenge so we can take care of our mental body. Then comes our emotional body, the way we are thinking, our belief systems, our habits of thinking, which create our physical reality, which creates the circumstances, and it creates the quality of our life. For this, we do 9-day breathwork challenge for unconditional bliss. My friends, if we can start to become aware of our emotional pattern and eventually, with the tools given in the courses, heal our emotional pattern, then we can get this energy, which is mostly stuck in the traumas, to travel upwards and reach our third eye. Third eye is the seat of your soul. It's where you find clarity in your life. It's where everything starts to make sense. And then eventually we reach our bliss body, our ultimate aim, and merge into that unconditional bliss. And because you have reached your bliss body is a confirmation that all the other areas of your life, all the other bodies are healthy and vibrant. At the School of Breath, we believe that success is bringing harmony and balance in all the areas of your life. My name is Abhi Dugal, the creator of the School of Breath. Allow me to welcome you guys to our holistic membership, where you'll find all these resources and tools geared to bring success in all the areas of your life. So join us and let's evolve together.